When the temperatures begin to drop, I just have to say there's a treat that I can't resist. It's hot chocolate. I've got a great recipe. Now, what I love about this recipe is it sort of elevates that flavor profile just a little bit because we're using a surprising ingredient in the way of cayenne pepper. You can see I've just harvested some out of the garden. This one's called hot golden cayenne. A little different color than what we usually see in a cayenne. Typically, they're red, but just look at this bounty. This is just off 3 plants. I picked these this morning. Now this recipe is really simple. It's a 2-step process. What we're going to do first is we're going to make the chocolate syrup. We're going to start by taking a 1/4 cup of water and just pour that into a medium saucepan. And then what I have here, I have 6 tablespoons of cocoa. And then I have 2 tablespoons of stevia sweetener. And what I want to do is I'm just going to cook this on a low heat until that becomes the smooth paste. Now it's time to go to step 2 of the recipe, and that's to take 5½ cups of skim milk and just add this to the mixture. Ooh, I wish you could smell this chocolate. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla, constantly stirring. And then I have a 1/4 teaspoon of the cayenne pepper. A little bit of this goes a long way. Now this is finely ground. You could actually take one of your dried cayenne pepper pods and put in here if you'd like, but you'll want to lift that out. And then I'm taking 2 small sticks of cinnamon and dropping it in here. And the last ingredient is just a little pinch of salt. Got about 1/8 teaspoon of salt, just a little bit there. That'll enhance the flavor. And really, that's all there is to it. What you want to do is just continue stirring this until it comes to a light boil. Then just lift out the cinnamon sticks. You're ready to serve it. It puts to use some of that cayenne pepper you may have grown in your garden and actually brought in and dried. It's also a little healthier approach to hot chocolate using the skim milk and the stevia sweetener. This will serve 6 people. Give it a try. I think you're going to love this recipe.